One of them is principal component analysis. Principal component analysis, if you know, it's one of the algorithms that feeds into, for example, big recommender systems, like the one that is employed by Netflix, where they use vast amounts of data to figure out which movie you should watch next or skip. Now, that's where quantum computers could eventually be useful, because Netflix only trains their model a couple times a day, and a quantum computer could do it much, much faster. Now, challenge is, how do you get these vast amounts of data onto a quantum computer? Well, people came up with a thing called quantum RAM, quantum memory, so to speak. And quantum memory is great because there's this thing about it that it could store exponentially more data than regular memory does, or it stores it more efficiently in a way. To show you how efficient it would do that, you can think about 30 qubits, quantum bits. They can store gigabits of classical data. 40 qubits could already store terabits of classical data. Now that sounds great, but the next challenge is, well, how do you get that classical data onto a quantum computer? That's a super hard problem to figure out, and how to get it back is another problem to figure out. But once you figure it out, you basically enter uncharted territory when it comes to the size of machine learning problems that you could eventually solve.